shave all this stuff on his face and keep a little goatee. Me and Mom like it all shaved up.
Hello, I'm James Herbert with Envirowash. We're here at the United Daughters of the Confederacy building. This is one of the properties that we've washed and restored. We did a light, mild detergent wash on this building. Everything we use is environmentally safe and does not take away from the historical value of the property in any way. We've been in business for about 10 years here in Richmond, Virginia. This building, along with several other buildings we've done in the state, are on the National Historical Register or the Virginia State Register. If you have a historical property, whether it's residential or commercial, we'd be happy to look at it, evaluate it, and maybe come up with a solution.